Hello, good morning. Excuse me. Could you help me? I seem to be lost.
Hello, good morning. Of course, how you help you?
I am trying to walk to Plaza Bicentenaria from the Zoológico Las Delicias. Could you point me in right direction?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's my quite simple. First, you just need to walk straight down Las Delicias Avenue for several blocks.
Okay, while I need to cross any major streets.
Yes, you will keep walking straight until you reach the round near the Toro de las Delicias.
Perfect, I understand.
You will pass a few traffic lights along the road once you reach the intersection near Central of Maracay turn right to Bolivar Avenue.
From the just walk 2 blocks. Plaza Bicentenaria will be right across the street.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your assist. Have you wonderful.